Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the oscilloscope in Multisim and the basic function of it, like in 3 minutes maybe. Okay, so if we look here at the screen, on Multisim, the default screen, you're gonna find here like some window, very small like column here with some like basic functions. Okay, one of them is basically the oscilloscope. Okay. So just hover over them. Let's see. Yeah, this is basically the multifunction oscilloscope. Yeah, for each channel oscilloscope. And I believe you have also, yeah, this is the basic one here. Number maybe number 4. Oscilloscope. If you hover over it, you see oscilloscope. Okay. Once you hover over any one of them, you're gonna see what it is basically. So we need the oscilloscope. Okay, I believe you can change its name. So let's put it here on the side. It has 2 channels as you see. Okay, and let's say we want to measure, or see the input, or maybe see the output here, or the input. Okay, see, let's see the input, basic function. So we're gonna connect the negative or channel A to the ground, the positive to, the other terminals. Bit prettier than this. Okay, then we run. And here it is. Okay, that's the oscilloscope. And here is what we have on channel 1. Okay, let's see if we can make it uh, maybe slower. But yes, we have to change this to time division. Choose single. Yes, it's gonna be more stable. Can measure basically. Can also change the time division scale. Okay, and here it is. Okay, that's basically where is oscilloscope is and the basic function of it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video. Bye-bye.